Ngokusho kwembiko, angu-28 amabhange atholakale ukuthi akhwabanisa amandla eRandi ukuze kuzuze wona. Kulamabhange mahlanu kuphela asekuvumile lokhu kukhomishana yezokuncintisana nokuthi azohlawula kanjani.
So you have 5 banks that are actually on the side of the commission, assisting the commission. 3 banks that have basically approached the commission seeking leniency. They are in a one group blacklist.
UNgqongqoshe eHovisi likamengameli uthi okwenziwa abemkhakha ezimele ukufadalalisa umnotho kanye nohulumeni.
In 2015, 28 financial institutions led by banks manipulated the rand and engineered a collapse or an attempt to collapse the South African economy.
Umhlaziyi wezombusazwe uthi zombili izinhlaka kumele zisebenzisane ukuthola isixazululo, hayi ukukhombana ngeminwe.
Both the government and the private sector are wrong, and my expectation is that in the best interest of South Africa, they should be able to come together and map a positive way forward.
Kusenjalo ibhange lombuso kulindeleke ukuthi limemezele ngesonto elizayo isinqumo ngenzalo yemalimboleko yesigamo sokugcina sonyaka.